ages. I lived in two-shot breeze. When I see ya, I'll PvP ya. Spanking news, that's my favorite cheese. Rogue, do it in the darkness. Rogue, do it where the sun don't shine. Rogue, with a little drop of poison. Rogue, do it from behind. Yeah. Gonna creep inside your back door. Yeah, well I wear blood-stained leather, bone scythe the nether blade. Chop, chop the level 7 wall. I'm gonna take him out with perdition blade. Rogue, do it in the darkness. Rogue, do it where the sun don't shine. Rogue, with a little drop of poison. Rogue, do it from behind, yeah. We are alliance or the mighty horde. Not your everyday type pranks to call me Ice-T, original gangster. Never hear me coming when I creep across the floor. With deadly force, you're dead of course. Now I'm gonna camp your corpse. Rogue, do it in the darkness. Rogue, do it where the sun don't shine. Rogue, with a little drop of poison. Rogue, do it from behind, yeah. Ha